In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your Litecoin wallet address using Kraken phone application. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. If you don't have a Kraken account yet, I will leave my referral link and invite code on the description below, where you can get from 20 to 100 euros just by creating your account, doing your first deposit and a trade, which is very simple. You can just trade from one crypto to another, and this way you will get a bonus. As you can see, this is all the money I got from referral codes, and this is just the money I got on the last week. So for example, my last referral got more than 100 euros and it's completely free, and it only takes a few minutes. So if you want some extra money, you can create your account using the link in the description below. So firstly, go to Explore, this tab at the middle at the bottom, then go to a search field at the top and search for Litecoin. So this is the crypto coin we are looking for. Just click there and click on deposit. Now you will see some simple instructions. For example, you can only deposit Litecoin from the Litecoin network. There is also a very small minimum deposit amount. The estimated processing time for each transaction is 30 minutes. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can also try sending smaller amounts first. So just go to I understand, and you should see your Litecoin deposit address. You will also see a QR code which you can scan, and this way you can directly deposit money to your Kraken wallet using Litecoin. If you want to, you can also copy this address and send it to anyone else, so anyone with this address can send you money from any other crypto platform or crypto wallet. So that's it. That's how you can get your Litecoin deposit address on Kraken phone application. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.